Okay, what's up, Fonzo? So I'll be answering your first question. How many moles of nitrogen gas are in your body if there are 9.7 times 10 to the 19th atoms of nitrogen in your body? So all this problem is really asking you to do is convert units from atoms of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen gas. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to write out the moles or the atoms of nitrogen that you start with. So that's 9.7 times 10 to the 19th atoms of nitrogen. And you're going to want to convert that to moles of nitrogen. So then you can convert from moles of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen gas, because those are two different things, because nitrogen gas is diatomic. I can explain that later. But to convert from atoms of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in 1 mole. So then now you've converted from atoms of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen, and now you want to convert from moles of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen gas. So there are 2 moles of nitrogen in 1 mole of nitrogen gas, because nitrogen gas is N2. It's diatomic. That's just something you got to know. So the way you solve this is you just multiply the top ones all together and then divide by the bottom one and then divide by the other bottom ones. So you just do 9.7 times 10 to the 19th divided by parentheses 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd divided by 2. And you get that there's 8.0. You're going to do this to 3 sig figs. I don't know how many sig figs your teacher wants you to do it to, but the full 8.056478405 times 10 to the negative 5, but 8.06 times 10 to the negative 5 moles of N2, and that's nitrogen gas in your body. If they're asking for moles of nitrogen, that's something different. Then you don't need to convert from moles of nitrogen to moles of nitrogen gas. But nitrogen is not nitrogen gas. These are two different things. Nitrogen gas is diatomic. So that's how you do the first problem. I'll link another video doing the second problem just so I don't have to shoot retakes if I screw something up.